بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Some students, they had requested me to record lessons on Tajweed Essentials. So let's start off with page 6. And yes, if you need a copy, a PDF copy of this booklet, then you can do so by clicking the link in the description down below. So page 6, Tajweed Essentials. Definitions of Tajweed: to recite every letter correctly from its place and with all its qualities. So that's the definition of Tajweed, to recite every letter correctly. The Arabic language is such a beautiful language that if a person's not particular about how he recites a certain letter or how to show a difference between two letters, then he can change the meaning of that word. For example, if a person says the word qalb with a big qaf, right, that means heart. And if a person says with a small qaf, like kalb, that's dog. Or if he was to say, if he starts off with reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. قُلْ with the big qaf means say. Kul with the small qaf means a command, like go and eat. So that shows that the importance of reciting every letter correctly from its place and with its qualities. The purpose of Tajweed: to recite the Quran in the manner it was revealed and recite it to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam for the pleasure of Allah Ta'ala. See, this is the key purpose. Then when we learn to recite the Quran with Tajweed, what's the purpose behind it? Is it to show off to other people, to show that, I'm reciting very beautifully, to attract people towards oneself? No, the intention should be that I'm learning Tajweed to recite the Quran to please my Rabb, to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And secondly, the second type of intention that person can have is that when I recite the Quran, that it should be such that it attracts people towards reciting the Quran, towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Not myself, not towards any personality. So the main purpose of Tajweed is to recite the Quran in a manner which was revealed to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for whose sake? For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, Makharij. Definition: Makhraj is the place where the sound of a letter originates. So when a person recites a certain letter, like for example, ta or ta, so there's a certain place where the sound of ta or the sound of ta originates. According to Imam Khalil rahmatullah, there are a total of 17 makharij, places where the sound originates. Okay. If you look at the next page, page 7, you see a diagram of the Arabic names of our teeth. Right? So now and then, in our lessons, we'll be referring back to this page to see the names or the terms of each tooth. So if you look over here, for example, number 1 is pointed at these two incisors. So that's called Thanaya Ulya. Thanaya Ulya. And if you notice, each of these terms at the end, it says Ulya or Sufla. What does that mean? Ulya means the top teeth, and Sufla means the bottom teeth. So Thanaya Ulya is the top two incisors. Right? And number 2, Thanaya Sufla, which is at the bottom two incisors. 3, Rabai Ulya, that's right over here. Right? That's also part of the incisors on this side and on this side, right? The top two. And then number 4, Rabai Sufla, which is right over here and here. And Anyab Ulya, those are the canines, right here. 6, Anyab Sufla, right over here. That's also the canines at the bottom. Then number 7, Dawahik Ulya, those are the premolars right after the canines. Number 8, the Dawahik Sufla, the bottom premolars right over here. and right here. Tawahin ulya, those are the molars. 2 on this side and 2 on that side. Then 10 tawahin sufla, right over here. These 2 and these 2. Nawajiz ulya, right up here and right here. And nawajiz sufla, right here and right here. Okay, so these are the Arabic names of our teeth.